We playing Can't Touch the Color, okay? So we're gonna play this. So I'm gonna skip until I join the game, okay? So guys, we cannot touch the color blue. Okay? So does that mean we cannot touch this? We cannot touch free roll in wait, so we cannot touch anything? Well, if this okay. So does this count? Does this count? Yep, it does. So guys, I didn't know. Wait. So can we not touch this? Or we can back? Can you collect them all? Let me see. Start over. Reach the end of your carry. Oh, okay. What end? Ow! What the fuck is that, mabraba? So I cannot touch the color blue, so it makes me I can't touch this. So we need to get another color. But I don't know how. Let's see, reroll. Let's just finish this, bro. Okay, so this is the start. And if I touch that thing, it's gonna start. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! What's the next one? What the heck? What's the next one? What's the next one? 1 minute. Most people will get this. So we have to survive at least 1 hour. 1 hour. Easy obby. Complete the easy obby. What easy obby? Oh, you mean that? Is that an easy obby? I don't know, man. I cannot touch the color blue, so I'm Lumba. So I'm gonna cut this until I get another color, okay? You guys, we're gonna be completing the easy obby first. Yes, sir. Let's go back. Wait, can I just walk? I can walk. Yeah. We're gonna try the medium thing. Wait, can I just... No! No, but I don't know where is it now. There it is. There it is, the bow. We're gonna go now. I wish there was shift lock right like that. Oh no! That up. Oh no. Oh no, man, no. You cannot touch that. It was blue. So that is basically the kill brick. Yeah, no. Wait. I didn't get the badge. Give badge. I didn't get the badge, so let's just go back. Right. Time for this one, bro. God. I hope it's gonna be easier with G-Flock. I did it. I finally completed all the obbies. After the time, it's over. And yes, it reload. I cannot touch yellow now. The rock. Okay, so we can now swim up 31 in the morning. cannot go there. The sand is yellow. Ah, no. Oh, no. Oo nga eh. Thank you. Oh, never mind.
I think it's too layo.
I want to reroll. Wait, no. What's this? What's this? Only we ever the police is Nah, bro.
Why just kill you?
So I'm gonna leave now, and this is the end of the video. Bye.